Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide photos in the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app. Now from here, just tap and hold and select the pictures you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the lower right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Move to Secure Folder. Now from here, just enter the PIN. Now as you can see, we have successfully hidden the photos on our Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to access the hidden photos, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now from here, just open Secure Folder. Now from here, tap on Gallery. Now as you can see, this is how you can access the hidden photos on the Samsung Galaxy A16. And this is how you can hide photos in the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.